Hey guys, Sky here. I've been getting a lot of comments about how do you use mIRC? What is mIRC? Let me explain. mIRC is nothing but a IRC server where you can connect and talk to people from different channels. That is purple. Got out if you've net and that good stuff. It's pretty much. Alright, we got that cleared out of the way. Now I'm going to tell you how to get it. It's not really, it's really simple. You can just go to Google and type in mIRC free download and take you to 1,000-something kajillion websites to check it out and download it for free. The one we'll tell you about it, the official, in the description box. If you can't, or describe that button and thing down, go ahead and take you inside here. Once you go ahead and download mIRC, just go ahead and click that button right there, whatever that thing is. That hyperlink should take you to the download process. It will say thank you for downloading, blah blah blah, etc. Once you've set the terms and the conditions and all that good stuff, whatever it wants you to do, you're gonna have to install it. And once you install it, it shouldn't take long. It took me like a minute and a half or something for mine, just depending on your internet connection. And once that's downloaded, mine's line. This about you don't recommend. It's gonna pull up. I see some personal have to personal has to do one on the used, and that there's just with connect, talk to Purple Surge. So we're gonna Surge an example since everyone that already have Purge entered servers, but I'm gonna walk you through by step on how Purple Surge server to your IC. Firstly, in the box, want to type in Surge. Doesn't matter how you spell it, what caps there. You don't have the purple. You can put your name if you want, I guess. It doesn't matter. It's still going to take you the same thing if you have everything set up as planned. Now, go ahead and press tab or click into the IRC server box and type as follows. As the port, you want to keep that as the default. If it doesn't bring up 6667, make sure you add it. It typically does, but if not, just precaution, I guess. Your password, you don't really need it right now. You can omit it. But if you have a registered identification